Hey everyone. Oh wait, I think the model was not pre-warmed yet. Let's try again. Hey everyone. Way better. I'd be willing to wait a second for that, I think. Let's try something longer. I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near the Tanhiusa Gate. All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in rain. Cool thing is I can actually read the model's lips. Also, it's running on a 3090 locally, including TTS and all. Technology, am I right? Except for TTS performance, which is still kinda bad. Anyway, dudes,